The most valuable part for me was definitely the essay at the end, because I'm currently trying to write my EPQ. I didn't realise how many words 2000 would feel. And then at the end, when we had the little one-to-one, and she was able to give me some feedback on it, it made me feel a little bit better for writing my EPQ because it wasn't as bad as I thought it was. So yeah, it gave me a lot of confidence.
There's this history competition essay I've been working on. It helped with the referencing, how to structure it to be interesting, and it was really helpful to be able to have the course to be learning the skills to write that.
I've used some bits for my personal statement. I wanted to compare my work experience in a setting compared to another. Most of the essay was making your argument and knowing how to structure your argument. I just kind of used that to showcase the difference.